Hello there, I'm Sean Rafols from Group 4. Today, our team will discuss one of the most famous sports around the globe.
Can you guess what it is?
If you answered bowling, then you're correct. In today's video, you'll be learning about the history, equipment, rules, and health benefits of the sports bowling. Now, without further ado, let me call on Joshua Sorreda to discuss about the history of bowling.
Hi, this is Joshua Rizal from E11I, and today I will give you a brief history of bowling. So the first evidence will be found in ancient Egypt. Bowling has been traced to articles found in the tomb of an Egyptian child buried in 52,000 C. The ancient Egyptians rolled stones at various objects with the goal of knocking them over. The primitive implements included 9 pieces of stone, pins at which a stone ball was rolled, the ball having first to roll through an archway made of 3 pieces of marble. Over time, various varieties of bowling emerged from the ancient Egyptian game. Next is found in ancient Hawaii, wherein another ancient discovery was the Polynesian game of Ulamaika, which also utilizes pins and balls of stone in the game. The stones were to be rolled at 60 feet away, which is a distance that is still used today in the basic regulation of 10-pin bowling. Lastly, in ancient Germany, bowling at pins originated there, but it was more so as a religious ceremony rather than a sport. Martin Luther is credited with settling on 9 pins as the ideal number for the 9-pin bowling.
Bowling equipment and facilities. Facilities of bowling are also called bowling alleys. This is where the sports bowling can be played because of course it's made of for bowling sport. Bowling alleys contain long and narrow synthetic or wooden lanes. Each lane has an overhead monitor television screen to display bowling scores as well as sitting areas and tables for dining and socializing. Here are some equipments for bowling. Of course, when there's a bowling alley, there must be some equipment. Every bowling alley will insist that you wear a pair of bowling shoes to play, of course for the safety of the player. This is mainly for 2 reasons, safety and performance. The most important is the bowling ball because you can't play bowling without a bowling ball. And of course, for safety, you need a bowling shoes. That too is most important when you play bowling. That's all. I'm John Karlo Sardonidos from section E11I. Thank you.
The rules of the game of bowling. How to play bowling. Bowling is an individual sport one can play on their own or against others. Play begins with a person throwing bowling the ball down a lane. The game consists of 10 frames. The bowler has 2 chances to knock down the pins in each frame. When keeping score, bonus points are awarded. The next 2 balls for a strike or 1 ball for a spare. If the bowler knocks down all the pins in 10th frame with 1 roll strike, bowler gets 2 more roll. If the bowler knocks down all pins in the 10th frame with 2 rolls spare, bowler gets 1 more roll. A perfect game is 12 strikes, maximum score 300 points. The player with the highest score after 10 frames is the winner. Do's and don'ts on the lane. The bowler should always be ready to bowl and be prepared to take your turn. The bowler should be learned to observe the rules and guidelines set of the game and the bowling alley. Bowlers should allow a healthy competition among players by learning to compete with others in a friendly way. They should cooperate with teammates by not wasting time during the game. The bowler on the right always goes first. It is important to show respect to others bowlers, whether they are your teammates, opponents, or even those who are playing in the lanes on either side of you. One guideline that should be observed is choosing and using the same ball throughout the game.
Bowling, also called 10 pins. Game in which a heavy ball is rolled down a long, narrow lane toward a group of objects known as pins, the aim being to knock down more pins than an opponent. The game is quite different from the sport of bowls or lone bowls, in which the aim is to bring the ball to rest near a stationary ball called a jack. Muscle tone and strengthening. Bowling helps promote muscle exercise of the lower body, as you are doing a lot of walking with the extra weight of a bowling ball in your hands. Further, when you are swinging your arm to throw a bowling ball, the stretching and flexing that occurs provide enough exercise for the tendons, ligaments, muscles, and joints in your arms. Weight loss. Bowling helps you slim down by speeding up your metabolism. Although the game is restricted to a small area, your constant movement while playing helps burn excess fat. You're exercising your legs while walking back and forth and working the rest of your body as you lift and swing the bowling ball down the lane. Improve social life. Approximately 2 million bowlers socialize and bowl together each week in leagues throughout America. According to the Bowling Foundation, bowling leagues and teams allow you to meet fellow players and spend time with old friends. Finding companionship through bowling leagues and team can ease loneliness in the elderly and others who live alone, reducing stress and depression. Social relationships around shared interests can increase longevity. Reduce risk of disease. A sedentary lifestyle is one of the leading risk factors for heart disease. According to WebMD, exercise including bowling lower your risk of stroke, heart attacks, diabetes, increases bone density, improves circulation, lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, and helps your body utilize oxygen better. Try to bowl once or more each week of optimum benefits. Stress relief. By engaging in physical activity, bowling allows us to relieve daily stress. Socializing with people during the game also acts as a mental stress reliever. Easy to learn. It encourages easy adjustment methods, which is why it is liked by most children and adults. In the opinion of 95% bowlers, it can be played for recreation, relaxation, competitively, and socially. The simplicity of this game is making it a favorite sport of a people all over the world. Healthy heart, relationships, and friendships build during these sports in better performance of heart muscles. Also, the adrenaline that is felt during a match also increases heart rate. Bowling thus promotes a healthy heart. Hand-eye coordination. Throwing the bowling ball and hitting the pins requires a great amount of hand-eye coordination. This kind of focus stimulates mental alertness, concentration, and tactical strategy. This makes bowling the perfect game for young people to sharpen motor skills and hand-eye coordination, and for older people to refine tactics. And that's all for the health benefits of bowling. Thank you for listening.
예. 아, 민규 쳤어요. 강력합니다.
And there you go. I hope you learned a lot about the sport bowling through this video. It is unfortunate that due to the current situation we're in, we weren't able to physically demonstrate to you how this sport is played. However, it is still a fun experience to be able to tell you and teach you most of the things about bowling. Remember, sports like bowling help you in a lot of ways. So please be physically active and play sports for you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Again, this is Group 4. May you have a great day ahead. Bye!